Vincent Sanchez.
And I'm Daniel Sanchez.
Sanchez Solar Cleaning.
The training was great. The training, we thought we kind of had an idea how to operate the machinery, but as we were halfway through, we realized, oh, thank God we're doing the training. It was hands-on. It was nice and smooth and very simple.
Very informative.
A lot of information. From that point on, after they were done, they took us out here, so we got a little hands-on, which helped us a lot. So when we got to the job site to do the job, we're like, okay, cool, now we have an idea what the platform looks like, what to do on operations. And as we're there at the job, we talked to Colin. He's the one in charge of the equipment area. And we ran into a couple of snags on the operations of it. And we talked to him. In fact, better yet, he came down and he was talking to us on the phone as we're up in the air, talking us through it. And he was there for most of our project. And when we felt comfortable, he felt comfortable, then he took off to his next client to take care of it. All I want to say is everybody that we come across that are looking for equipment, we'll automatically send them here because these are the guys you want. Even if you are a big corporation, you got the money to do the big rentals, I would still come here. Yeah. Because they're not about your wallet, they're about creating that long-term relationship. And that's how we run our company too. We're not here to take money from customers, from their wallet. We're here to educate them
like a number.
And we don't treat them as a number, we treat them as a person because that's who we are. We are human beings.
Our website address is www.sanchezsolarcleaning.com.